Hi YouTube, Just Jahida here, coming to you with the high puff hair tutorial. If you're interested, please stay tuned. I'll be first using the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel, 2 elastic bands. You can get these at your local Dollar Tree. I like to keep 2 on hand just in case one of them breaks. A comb and a brush. So the first thing I like to do when I get started is take the elastic band and put around my neck so it'll fit like so. And then next I'm gonna take the Eco Styler Gel and add it to my edges like so. And you want to make sure you get it on all your edges to have them snatch. Now I'm looking in my mirror, so my head, or I might have eye contact all over the place. And then I just kind of take it in my hands like this and do that to the back, like so. And so then I take the brush and I just brush my hair. And by the way, this is an old wash and go, and I just like for my edges to be slicked up like so. And then I'm gonna take the elastic band and put it here, but then I'm gonna double it. So when I double it, I just kind of take my hair like so and just make sure it's in there double time. And then what I do is just kind of press back. Sometimes I take a comb and kind of try to fluff it a little. Let's see, get y'all to see. And then I just kind of shape it like so. A lot of times I just use my hands because
what?
I thought I stopped filming, guys. I kind of shape it like so, and just around. And then what I'll do is just shape it to my knee. You can shape it the way you desire. Sometimes I'll go in and kind of puff it up. And guys, I'm sorry for that pause. I really thought my camera had stopped or something. Silly me. So, y'all, my eyebrow was kind of long. I didn't notice that until now, so I just wiped it a little bit, but it'll be okay. And so this is the final product. If you like to like swoop your edges, I just give mine a quick little swoop like so. And then that was a quick tutorial on how to do a puff. Here's one angle, here's the other angle. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye.